The latest, they upgraded last night, or yesterday I should say, from just an area of low pressure to a tropical storm. It had 50-mile-per-hour winds at the 11 o'clock advisory last night. This morning, though, winds are now up to 65 miles per hour. So unfortunately, the forecast strengthening from the National Hurricane Center is taking place. And as the track continues to move off towards the north and west, eventually it could make landfall somewhere here in the northern Leeward Islands. These are the same exact locations, Barbuda, Antigua, Anguilla, and we're also looking at areas near the Virgin Islands, and then eventually over to Puerto Rico. All were impacted by Irma as it was a Category 5. Could make it through here as a Category 2 or 3 storm as we go from tomorrow night into Thursday morning. By the time we get to early Thursday morning here around Puerto Rico, and at that point it could be even stronger. Could be a Category 3 storm. So all interests here in Puerto Rico and also through the U.S. Virgin Islands and the Northern Islands. Want to pay attention for this. Now, as we watch the 5-day forecast and it moves it a little bit closer to us, notice this is by Friday, so we're still talking about a week and a half away from potential impacts here in the U.S. The forecast models want to keep it off the East Coast for now. So they're pretty well set on it moving through the Northern Islands, and then notice as they start to vary and become a bit more wide as far as forecast paths, that means that there's not as much certainty as what we could see, of course, with the earlier track. But as long as it stays off the East Coast, our forecast is looking pretty good. So